got it. Oops, sorry. Okay, so hello everyone. So my research is called an intelligent mobile app program to provide zero cost but effective golf coaching by analyzing golfer swings using AI and machine learning. And I've titled my application called GolfBud. So moving on to the introduction. So golf is a sport that has captivated people of all ages. And however, there's one major problem, which is the high cost of coaching fees. And it is especially detrimental towards people with lower income backgrounds. This issue is particularly, and I've seen this firsthand, having played golf somewhat seriously for the last 5 years. The lack of affordable coaching fee is a critical issue, as it directly translates to slower or even non-existent improvement. And moreover, it also associates the sport of golf with exclusivity and privilege, and that is something that I want to get rid of through my research and application. So first, I just want to address some challenges. So the first major challenge is the analysis of the golf swing. So in order to overcome this problem, one solution would be to make two videos, one from the user and then one from a professional golfer swing to be compared from. Then it will use machine learning to compare the two videos and output frames of similar moments in a swing in both videos, so that the user will be able to identify differences in critical moments in their swing that they wouldn't have otherwise missed without a assistant tool. And then the second major challenge that I face is to finding the major features to derive in order to analyze each frames in the two videos. And so the solution that I came up with is by using Mediapipe, which is a post estimation library, and this library can get the positions of each body part inside each frame. And with the positions, I can calculate the angles of specific joints in each frames. And these angles can be used to group different frames into different groups. And that can be used to analyze the output. And then the third and last challenge that I want to address is the accessibility issue, which is how can users easily access this application? And so the solution that I came up with is to construct or make a mobile application based on Flutter as the front-end development. And so I want this mobile application to have a really simple structure to promote straightforward interactions, which can enhance user engagement and experience. It will basically have an introduction page, a recording page, and also a result page. And yeah, so I've made a golf app called GolfBud that will substitute the position of a coach, which allows golfers to receive aids on their golf swing without having to pay the expensive golf coaching fees. And so the golfers can simply use this application on their phone to either record a video or pull it from their phone to give themselves helpful feedbacks in order to improve. And I have a video demo of my app here. Called GolfBud. This app basically records a golfer's swing and uses AI and machine learning to analyze the swing and provide helpful feedbacks based on, or in the form of images. The main motive behind my app is to provide zero-cost coaching to golfers who believes that golf coaching is really expensive for them. And so this is the overview of the entire app. I have the mobile application, which consists of 3 pages. The main page, which has a login, and then you can either log in or continue as guest. And once you decide that, there's a second page which allows you to record and analyze the video. And lastly, on the third page, it displays the result. And how this works is that once you have the 2 videos, it will send the 2 videos onto the server, in which the golf engine in the server will analyze the videos and send a pair of 2 images that are a pair of frames that are similar to each other to the Firebase. And then the Firebase will send back public links to the server, in which the server will send back to the result page to be, and then the result page will display those images. And so the first major component is the mobile application itself, and here's the code. So basically, the left one is the result page, which has a function called fetch links, which grabs the links of the two videos and then gets the images, which are then displayed on the result page. And the right side is the home page, which is basically has the login, your email, your password, and then also you can continuous guess option. And here is basically what the app looks like. You have the login page, the record page. The first video is the recording of the golfer's current swing, and the second video is the recording of their desired swing. And by comparing the two videos, the golfer will see the difference and therefore can improve based on the output of the program, and then also the result page. And the second major component is the server. And so the left side is the code for the video analyzer, which basically does the analysis job. So it uses Mediapipes to get the positions of each frame in the videos, and then by using the positions, it will grab the angles of the joints in each videos, and then it will use k-means to cluster the videos into 6 different groups, and it will find one frame in each of those groups that are similar to each other in the two videos, and then those pairs of frames will be sent to the storage. And here is the AWS, which is what I use to host the server on. And then the third major component is the storage itself. So left side is what the storage actually looks like, and the right side basically establishes a connection, and then it also can upload the file too. And that is basically an overview of the entire project, and then I'll do a short demo of the actual app. So I'm using this simulator to kind of use as the demonstration. And so here we can either log in or continuous guess, so I'll just continuous guess. And so you can either record or get videos from your library. I'll just get it from library since I already have it saved. So this the first video, and then this is the second video. And then once you press analyze video, it will take some time to actually output the images. And here is the output, which you can see the side-by-side comparison of different moments in a swing, and based on that, golfers can make decisions on what they have to improve on. And yeah, that is basically my app. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Yeah, that is the video. So moving on, so one of the major experiments I've done is to determine whether the GolfBud application can effectively analyze golf swings. And so I've found 10 participants of varying skill levels and to record their swings and receive personalized analysis, comparing their techniques with the second video, which is the professional swings. And so over a span of 2 weeks, participants practice using insights from the analysis. And so afterwards, so the result is that there's a mean improvement of 12.3%, and then a median improvement of 11.5%, and then the lowest improvement rate was 9%. And so this experiment made me realize the importance of personalized feedback, which is that different golfers have unique swings and they have different stuff that they would like to work on. And so it's really important to make this golf application personalized to each individual person. And so here are some future development things that I want to do for this application. So first thing is that I want to expand this application to more analysis types. So that could be side views, bunker shots, or putting. And so the second thing is that I wanted more accurate responses, because sometimes the AI could be generating frames that are not really similar because of some limitation issues. And the third thing is that I also want a category at the very bottom of the result page to have AI generated feedbacks based on the swing, which can help users to improve more easily. And so in my conclusion, I've listed one of the major limitations to this project, which is that symmetrical angles inside videos can mess up AI analysis. And what I mean by that is that in a golf swing, for example, the backswing and then the follow through are very similar in terms of like angles. And so the AI could be clustering those frames together accidentally because they have similar angles. And one potential fix to this issue is to partition videos into different phases instead of feeding the entire video into the k-means and AI machine learning. But overall, it was a really challenging but also really fun project. And yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you guys for listening.